play The Price is Right. Are you a Nick at Night fan? Well, let's play The Price is Right. We are going to do that at Business Breakthrough 2023. I hope you're there to join me. Let me give you a little heads up on what we're going to cover. You see, in the game or the game show of Price is Right, they bring out three choices, right? Do you want door number 1, door number 2, door number 3? Gift box number 1, 2, or 3. Well, when we play the game, you get all 3. So behind door number 1, how to set aside the pricing discussion until you can have it at the right time. Maybe this is self-explanatory to you, but it's pretty obvious to me that you can say the right thing at the wrong time. Isn't that what Floyd taught us? So you might really be good at a pricing presentation, but you might be asked about price over the phone. Or when you initially set up the appointment, you might be asked about price when you walk in the door. Or if they're not going to act now and they're consulting you as to what do we need to do to prepare our home for sale, but we're not going to list for 3 or 4 months, that would be the wrong time to talk about pricing. Would you agree? So what do you say to set it aside so that you don't end up spilling the beans or giving them information that they get fixated on, and then it's gone and changed in 3 months or in a year or whenever they do decide to list? How do you do that? You got to come to Nashville to find out. Behind door number 2, how do you get an expired listing or a for sale by owner to agree with you on price? What do you say to them that's going to cause them to list with you and to list at the right price? Well, you know what expireds need. They've been let down before, and they need to know that they can trust you and that you're not going to let them down, that what you say is really what's going to happen. And of course, you know the magic formula for sale by owners, right? When does a for sale by owner list with you? When you can prove that you have value. What does every for sale by owner want? They want to walk away with the most money, and they think, whoa, if I don't pay that commission, man, I get that money in my pocket. So what you got to do is show that for sale by owner that you are worth that commission. And we're not going to just add the commission to the price. That's not how we determine value, the value of their home. So what's the dialogue for expireds and FSBOs? What's the dialogue for explaining your value and for creating great trust? And by the way, what that dialogue is for expireds and FSBOs, you'll find useful with the general public as well, because sometimes you're not even trying to work an expired or a for sale by owner, and you discover that you are. And behind door number 3, and you get the full contents of that as well, is your Wickman dialogue, perfecting that dialogue. You know, I probably say it different and probably with more words than Floyd Wickman or than Mike Pallin or than you. But we have students coming from all across North America, and some of them know that dilemma technique backwards and forwards, but they tend to skip the price and time pyramid. And some people explain the price and time pyramid, but it's those 3 prices on every house that they stumble with, or just even getting started, right? So what if we could provide a safe environment for you to really perfect that dialogue? Use it with today's numbers, today's awareness, with your marketplace's numbers, explaining so that people receive a polished, masterful presentation. I know you got it in you. We're going to work together at Business Breakthrough. Sign up right away and come to The Price is Right. By the way, The Price is Right on your Business Breakthrough tickets. So get on our website, floydwickman.com, and order yours today. See you there.